Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox Mi High Capacity Gel Pen. That's all inside the box. A user manual, a warranty card, Okay, let's try the gel pen. In my opinion, the ink doesn't dry fast enough, but ink dry faster compared to another gel pen. The good thing, because it is a gel pen, so the ink won't jam the pen. And the price quite cheap compared to another gel pen. One box with quantity of 10 pieces cost me around $3.5 US. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.